Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify PayPal automation with AI for invoice follow-up step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the settings icon at the top right of the page. Select account settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the notifications section on the left side. Enable invoice notifications to ensure you're alerted about unpaid invoices. Next, open a new tab and visit an AI automation platform like Zapier or Integromat. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, choose to create a new automation workflow. Select PayPal as your trigger app. Choose the new invoice or invoice payment reminder action as your trigger event. Connect your PayPal account to the automation platform. Authorize the connection by following the prompts. Next, search for the AI tool integration you plan to use, such as OpenAI's GPT. Add this AI tool as your action step in the workflow. Set up the parameters for the AI tool, including the feedback format for invoice follow-ups. Customize messages that the AI will generate for you. Include necessary details such as the client's name, invoice amount, and due date. Test the automation to ensure it functions correctly. Check that the AI generates reminders accurately. Once satisfied, activate your automation. Monitor your PayPal account for any new invoices and ensure that follow-up reminders are sent as per the automation. Adjust settings as needed based on your experience with the AI tool. Regularly review the performance to ensure seamless operation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.